Hello, young explorers. Welcome back to Curiosity Corner, where wonder meets science. Today's episode is full of waves, mysteries, and mind-blowing discoveries, from the tiniest droplets of DNA to the far reaches of space. Let's dive into how the world around and inside us is more connected and surprising than we ever imagined. Imagine you're at the beach watching waves roll in. Instead of water splashing randomly, the waves move in smooth, clear lines. Scientists have discovered something similar happening inside tiny droplets made of DNA strands. When special guest molecules enter these DNA droplets, they don't just wander around like dye in water. Instead, they travel in a neat wave, like a ripple moving steadily across the ocean. This surprising discovery shows that molecules can move in a more organized way than we thought, which helps us understand how cells send signals and organize their inner workings. This new knowledge is important because these DNA droplets act like tiny models of what happens inside living cells. By learning how molecules move in waves, scientists can create smart materials that work like living systems. These materials could carry medicines exactly where they're needed, or build synthetic cells that mimic real ones. It's like unlocking a secret code of life that could lead to amazing new technologies and better treatments for diseases. From molecules riding waves in tiny DNA droplets, let's zoom out to another microscopic marvel: how artificial intelligence is helping doctors decode the human brain. Imagine a super smart computer that can learn just like you do, spotting patterns and solving puzzles. This is what artificial intelligence, or AI, does. In the world of medicine, AI is helping doctors detect epilepsy, a condition where the brain's electrical signals get mixed up, much faster than before. By analyzing lots of brain data quickly, AI can find tiny clues that humans might miss, helping doctors understand when and where seizures might happen. It's like having a detective who never sleeps, always watching and learning to keep people safe. Thanks to AI, treatments for epilepsy are improving too. Computers can help doctors decide the best medicines or even guide surgeries by predicting how the brain will respond. This means patients get help sooner and with more accuracy. Just like how a smart robot learns to play a game better over time, AI keeps getting better at helping doctors solve big health problems. This breakthrough is giving hope to millions of people living with epilepsy, showing how technology and medicine can work together to save lives. While AI is solving mysteries in medicine, it's also unlocking the secrets of the universe. Our next story takes us to the heart of the galaxy, where a supermassive black hole is spinning like never before. Deep in the heart of our Milky Way galaxy lies a mysterious and powerful object called a black hole. Imagine a place in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. This black hole, named Sagittarius A star, is like a cosmic whirlpool, pulling in gas, dust, and even light. Recently, scientists used artificial intelligence, or AI, to study this black hole in incredible detail. By training a special computer program with millions of simulated images, they discovered that Sagittarius A star is spinning almost as fast as it possibly can. This rapid spin helps us understand how black holes grow and affect the space around them. What makes this discovery so exciting is that it challenges what we thought we knew about black holes. The AI showed that the glowing gas swirling around the black hole behaves differently than expected, and the black hole's spin points almost directly at Earth. This means we get a unique view of this cosmic giant. Using AI to unlock these secrets is like having a super smart detective that can solve puzzles too big for humans alone. This breakthrough helps us learn more about the universe and the incredible forces shaping it, inspiring us to keep exploring the mysteries of space. And from the center of a galaxy to the frozen edge of our own planet, let's head to Antarctica. where scientists are picking up puzzling signals from the ice that may be pointing to new physics. Deep beneath the thick ice of Antarctica, scientists have detected strange radio signals that don't fit with what we know about the tiny particles called neutrinos. Neutrinos are incredibly small and almost never interact with anything, passing through Earth and our bodies all the time without us noticing. Usually, when neutrinos hit the ice, they create radio waves that scientists can detect from balloons flying high above the ice. But these new signals came from a very odd direction, below the horizon, as if they travelled through thousands of kilometres of rock, which should be impossible because the rock would block or absorb the signals. This mystery has puzzled scientists because the signals don't match any known particle behaviour. These strange signals might be a clue to something completely new in physics, maybe even a new kind of particle or interaction that we haven't discovered yet. Scientists use special detectors like ANITA, which flies on balloons over Antarctica, to listen for these faint radio waves. The hope is that by studying these unusual signals, we can learn more about the universe's deepest secrets, like how cosmic events far away send particles across space. The mystery remains unsolved, but new, more sensitive detectors are being built to help scientists understand whether these signals are a strange effect of the ice or a sign of new physics waiting to be discovered. Whether it's in a lab, a hospital, outer space, or under the ice, science never stops surprising us. Thanks for joining us on Curiosity Corner, where every question leads to a new adventure. Stay curious, young explorers, and see you next time.